What's up, guys? So we are not going to waste any time. So come to the point. The point is, today we're gonna talk about how to sort out the brief, how the brief looks like, different briefs. Then what are the attributes? How you will explore the visual thoughts, the inspirations, the attributes, and the informations. What is slogan? What is tagline? All this thing. So first we will learn how to solve the brief. Then after brief we'll make a rough layout. After that rough layout we're gonna do the final design, like from brief to design to mock-up to final presentation. Fine, this will be our next upcoming session. So in this session we will learn what is brief, how to read the brief. Look, first of all, take a paper and pencil or pen to note it down. Like what name I have to put, name to incorporate in the logo. It's a Crave Chicken and Burgers. It's the brief is mistyped. It's burgers, but it will be burgers. Slogan to incorporate in the logo. What is slogan? Slogan in the sense the tagline. If you have any tagline, then you can use it. Like if I give you an example, you can see it on daily basis in your TV. That's LIC जीवन बीमा policy. The tagline is जीवन जीवन के साथ भी जीवन के बाद भी. So all this small slogan and tagline is like the logo. If required, then you will put all the taglines in logo. Fine. Now descriptions of the organization and its target audience. What they do? It's a fried chicken and burgers fast food center. Basically, they sell fast foods. What they are specialized in? They are specialized in fried chicken and burgers. Industry type restaurant. So how many things you have to find? Description is a fried chicken. Fry means fire. Fire means spicy. Chicken spicy masala. All this thing. Colors. What colors you have to explore? The reds and yellow. Fine. In this two-tone we have to use, not more than that we can't use it. Now what is this class like style attributes? This style attributes shows the texts, write down the fonts, classic or modern. It's balanced. So understand what font you have to take, mature or youthful. Yes, because it doesn't mean like burger or chicken fries is for everyone, feminine or masculine. It's more into manly kind of a brand. So the font should be, my first point is thick. Thick. All right. Then playful, sophisticated, playful. Then from this to funky. Next, economical, luxurious, balance, geometrical, organic, balance, abstract, literal, literal. So something meaningful. Fine. So this the way, and design inspiration is, look, this kind of simple, some this kind of a borders, compact shapes design they need. Like look, if you see this design, it's a compact shape, right? And this, it's a compact, and this, it's a compact. Can you see? So we have to do something compact design. So now Now what I gonna do, I will make a rough design for understand. Fine, I will make it on some different artboard. So how my design will look like, first of all, it can be, I will make a round shape logo. This is my ultimate shape of the logo. Now here in this part there will be the bun. Slice part of the cheese. Fine. Fine. So after this, some flame kind of shapes. Fine. And here will be the text. The burger and all. If there is a slogan flow. This is my layout. Fine. Why I create this layout? I create this layout to see things. Why? Because whatever this composition I have created, like before 5 minutes ago, it's all in my mind. I have to see it, I have to execute it, then only I can understand. Clear? So I have created this. With this, now come to my design brief. So crave chicken and burgers. So what I will do, I will write down here the text. Nice name though. Crave I will find this kind of font on internet. Crave what? Crave chicken and burgers. Fine. My drawing is too bad. Now, this is my layout. Once my layout is done, what I will do? I will do research. Why research? I will see if this kind of design is there or not. I don't want my design to be get copyrighted issue. Fine. So here we are. Chicken burger logo. Not yet. I didn't get yet. Still not there. Is there any? No. So mama, I'm done. Logo design. I don't think so. No, 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 no. No, there is no such designs. So we will first from the brief again. Chicken crave burgers, fried chicken, and burgers fast food. Fried chicken. We'll go to Google. Chicken burger and fried chicken logo. Not yet. No. So I hope you understand how to sort the brief, and then you have to finalize it. Then if you want to develop bit, you can, like from this to I can make a nice detailed one now. Fine. Then a chicken leg pieces from. Then we'll incorporate this. One is here and one is here, and the text will be the same. Fine. So this how we will sort the brief and do the design. In next session, what you're gonna learn, I will show you how to uh, do the design through the layout. Fine. Thanks for attending this session, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.